Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to Motorola One 5G Ace. First of all, open Play Store on both devices. Now click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window, you can select Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by choosing OK. Do exactly the same on this Motorola device. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then OK. From here, you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola smartphone and Receive at the bottom as well of Motorola One 5G Ace. If you see this kind of pop-up, choose one of those options. In my case, no thanks. Click on Close this window. And finally, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can do that by tapping on the chosen ones, or selecting all of those dots from all of those categories. Finally, choose Send next to select it. I will go with only one file. Then click on Got it and pick one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Motorola Ace, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing your camera at the code. You can also input this key over here instead, and when you're ready, choose the Receive button. Now, after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!